We're only 15 minutes in, so. So we'll get that at the 10 o'clock. Yeah, we'll get there at 10. $200. Maybe I'll just do 500. I don't know. We'll see. See if I get to 25 points. She's just grinding through. She needs to pop up out of this guy here. They break this, we're good. Now we got some strong buyers in here. This is the other support resistance I have to watch out for. We blast through this, we're good to go. 24. And we'll keep on grinding through there. I know we can get up to this zone here. Good enough.
Order filled.
We're done for today, guys. So finished up exactly $600. So I want to get going here. So that was my 15-minute trade. A little bit long because I started earlier today. The bottom line is it's this I shouldn't have done, but I did it that market open. I should have waited. I could have actually bought here and really cashed in, but whatever. And so basically what my theory is, I should have kept it, whatever. I made my points. So because of the volatility, NASDAQ volatility is insane. And we broke through here, that's why you had another run, and that was, yeah, 98 there. No, that's my bottleneck. And what I'm using is, I'm going to remove all objects here. Technically I was using this, I'm going to unlock it. I was trying to use, in theory, this box here. What can I grab them now? Let me see here. There we go. This box here. And so usually I'll put in, let's say, a buy order to continue, but I knew the bottom was going to hit the bottom, so I said I'll just let it run. And I should have kept my trade. You know, I always chicken out. 99.75. I had it set for 98. Whatever. Anyways, and so then I'm using. The GAN or the square 9 with the boxes here. Very volatile. It dropped literally the first 5 minutes basically from where I was. Let's say it was somewhere right around here. Was it 70 points? Yeah, 50-point drop. And now we're at a 100-point gain. It's crazy. Other than that, guys, oh, shoot. I'm on the wrong screen the whole time. I'm looking at the wrong screen. So anyways, let me do this. I was on the wrong screen, guys. I apologize. The whole damn time. No video. Alrighty, this is Mike again. I just spilled the whole thing. Anyways, I want to show you a trade this morning. I didn't realize my recorder was off, so I'll just add it up to my weekly trades. So basically what I'm trying to show you is a basic way how to trade, even though I have a lot of charts here, but the main chart I'm looking at the two main charts I'm looking at is this chart here right now to see where we're going. And there's our bounce, and then this one right here. And because it's FOMC day, I think it is. 10 minutes, that's what they're talking about. We just have to wait. So basically my gut feeling is the market will go up, but they're just trying to buy a cheaper price. Because yesterday, and I'll add up my videos but when the week is done, is I expected the market to go up, and it hit this order block right here, and then she crashed. I looked at it this morning and went, wow, she took another dive again. Okay, so on my yesterday's video, I'm putting them all together in one big shot here. Basically, and you're gonna see me take a lot of heat, but my projection was right, and I finished up with 600 plus yesterday. Is what I want to show the power of, well, a couple of things. But yesterday, this thing snapped down really hard, and I was expecting to go up, and it did come up back to the market maker. And see how powerful this market maker is? Maybe I should actually show you the proper screen right here. So it came back down, bounced back up, right here. And then I was already done, shut down the video, and she tanked all day. So I marked this bar for the next day, and look, guess what? We're almost there. And they're squeezing it down. They will get down to here. Maybe they might get lower, and then you'll see the Fed minutes, and then it should, my projection, unless it's really bad news, she's just gonna fire right up and looks like it's a record-breaking day again. That's what I'm expecting. See how she's squeezing now? She'll get down to here. Oh yeah. She's playing. So they're gonna be bouncing back and forth until the Fed minutes. I say to here. I know it should get down to here because this is the best buy price. They'll probably just extend it just a hair more, just knock up the stops, and then start going up. That's their goal. Other than that, I'll just stop this video and see what I can do tomorrow, and we'll go from there. Take care, bye. Alrighty, so it is 11:26, and okay, good morning everybody. Like I said, I'm going to be only doing a few trades for the past week. That's just as a one group video, and so what I'm doing is I'm just looking at how the markets were performing. It's because it was Thanksgiving, I haven't really done much. Waited a few days, waited for everything, but it's amazing if you're going to start taking a look at some of the indicators I'm using. And we'll find out if she goes down or up in the morning. And this zone of interest right here is where we have to watch if it's going to continue to go down. So here's a market maker, which is really wide. I don't like it. It's a 50-point market maker. So we have to watch if it hits this zone, but you can see where the bottleneck is in this area, okay? We hit to that bottom. I made this marking how many days ago? Okay, see this? I marked it how many days ago at the bottom, and see how it literally tapped by the tick. So I have a feeling that she's gonna go up now. They got that cheap price. We were supposed to technically be in the buy phase. So where are we right now? See, it tapped once, it taps twice, it taps 3 times. So it's ready to do the reversal. They did a scare this morning about COVID again, go figure. And but on the market side, it looks like it could be an up runner day. We'll see. So I'll take a look at the few charts here. So as you can see, she tapped once, twice, 3 times. It might even go down here. And we're not sure yet. So we'll see if she wants to push down to this zone, okay? So what you can also do, and it is a Friday, so what we can do is let's go to the first wave and see where the second wave possibly could go. There's no matchup lines. The only matchup line I see is if it does go to this zone here, maybe it's this marker right here. So it's left to the right, but that's the, you got 2 order blocks here. So this would never touch this order block yet, so it needs to hammer this order block to bounce up if she's going to go. Actually, I have to move it up a little bit higher. Let's go F6 here, just to see if this marking is lining up. And she's close. She's close. There's a high, low, high tap there from here and here, these two here. So we possibly, but right now, delta's going up at 369, so this is what I'm going to be looking for. Now let's start taking a look at just the other trade maps really quickly. I gotta reload this just in case. So 935 to 1020, and it could keep on whipping up. So let's say it goes whip, whip, and then second wave again until 12. Possibly going up. Remember, this is our bottleneck here. That's our bottleneck. So we have one purple, and then the second wave to go up. If I ever taught you in some on the Williams here, there's sometimes the purple continuously go on, or the other wave is purple is extremity, and then one more wave is exhaustion to go up. And that's what happened right here at 5 in the morning. So now we're just chattering right now, just before market open, we're almost at the 50% line, so we really have to watch. And if it does go up, you can see where the bottleneck is up here, unless she goes like crazy. Okay? That's the one I'm looking at, and see what we're doing on our baseline. So baseline negative right now. You can see it tapped once, tapped two, tapped 3 times, so it could be a breakdown or a bottom. So we'll have to watch here. And if she does keep on going down, I don't have enough days on this, so let's go data series. That is 15 days already. So let's put 30 days on here on a 15-minute chart. Let's see how far it can go back. So our next level is right here. I already marked it on that one. We don't need this right now. So our next level of interest, see there's one down here. That one tapped, did it tap 3 times? Possibly mini, and this one right here. So we'll take a look at all those markers right there. Okay, so we're pretty much good to go. We're 4 minutes before the open, and we'll see if we can get anything here. So what I'm going to be looking at, let's transition. And so I'm set up for, basically I'm using fib targets, and see how she never worked. It was a good momentum except for the first fib target here. And so I already put the bottleneck to see. This is the area. I'm going to change this color here. Let's make it, I don't like using red. Let's make it purple or something. So we know. That's the area we need to break. And then, of course, way up here. Let's go right across here, which is up here. Make another purple line here. So those are the 2 areas of zone of interest. See, this is an area, well yeah, because this is the market maker zone here. So we have to break this market maker zone in order to get here. So we could actually fire up here, fire up to somewhere within these lines here. Market maker is probably right in this zone. Let's see how far that market maker was. Yeah, because the session started here. So the market maker, it's just terrible. It was just a runner. So this might be a non-valid one. We'll find out right away. So we got, it needs to break this level here, 56. If it breaks 56, let's see here, 56, 70, 80. Possibility. And where are we here? This is actually a selling box here. And so what I'm going to do, let's unlock it. I'm going to put it right there. This is the one I have to watch out for now. You can see where she really bottomed out right here. There's a rejection on selling. What we also can do is let's go Fibonacci retracements. And here we are right now. It already hit it once. Okay, so we know this is this area they're interested in. We'll see how fast this delta starts hammering up. If not, we can jump in right away. What did the, just want to see what the, put it to a 1 minute schedule here for a second. What did the 1 minute schedule say? 9:35, maybe possibly sell off to 10:03. This is pointing down here. This is ready to curl, so there might be a major sell-off. Don't know yet. Let's go for it. I'm gonna go for it. Should I go for it? No, we're 1 minute before. I need to know if it breaks 56. If I see this hitting 56, then I'm gonna go for this zone here. It's a lot of buying. Yeah, there we go. This is the fake out. Let's see if we can get within this zone here. If the shoe fires right through, then we know. Am I on the right chart? Oh, let's transition, boom. So, this is what I'm looking at. If we pop here, I'm buying. This thing pushes right down again, we'll find out. We got to 9:35. This could be our buy spot here. What's Delta doing? You know what else I need to look at? See if time and sales is going correctly. And time and sales is, so we're good. Just flipping back and forth, let them bounce back and forth for a while. Okay, let's go for it.
Order filled.
I'm gonna go to there we go. Let me switch it to a different chart so I can see it a little bit better.
Order submitted.
And I want to move this down to there. A little bit farther down. That's good enough. See if we can get to our market maker zone.
Order filled.
4:35 it hit. Wow, that was fast. So we're basically done for today. Thank you very much. And so we got a runner, a retracement runner. Still could be going down, we don't know. And it is Friday, so I guess I'll post up all these videos. I know I'm not talking much. I just want to show you the bottom line is, yeah, there's a lot of data to it too, but the bottom line is you can try to keep it simple. It looks really, I know I see a lot of lines and saying, what am I looking for? What am I looking for? And the bottom line, what I look for is, I'm going to transition here. This is my conclusion for the week. I marked this a long time ago. As you can see, this little area. We know there's a whole bunch of support and resistance, so what they usually do is they're going to hit these zones because they need volatility, guys, okay? They need that volatility. So all week, the past 3 days, I made a little over, close to $2,000, okay? Of 3 days of trading. Not bad. And it's only a few minutes because I'm already 3 minutes into the open. And I know the open is a little more volatile. But did you see that? Here's my pink marker. Literally tapped into it. We're done. We knew where our projection is, okay? We know it could possibly go up to this level, but if you even look at the indicators that I've created, see this, if I was up early enough, I'm not gonna know this was yesterday, but if I was up early enough and continued on at 6 p.m., I could have taken this run all the way down. And see the market maker, how beautiful, not market maker, but the day trend kicked in and kept on going and kept on going, kept on going. And remember I had this marker here, so let's go to a 30-minute chart, really condense it so you can see. And I said, here you go. We know this was the explosion. We know they tapped it twice, so why don't we go to the place where the big money is? So we did it 3 times. They loaded up, a little deeper retracement, knockoff stops, came to the 3rd time. Now they can go. The reason why we chose this area, we know there's a lot of volume that they played around, so they wanted to get into this area. We have some market maker numbers, and then we have to watch and wait. This band here, interesting on a 15-minute chart, is a little bit tighter, but whatever. And now we can keep on going. And that's about it. Yeah, 435. So we're done. And day in and day out, this is all what I look for. When you get into these really choppy morning days, and you're going to get, once you get to a new high a few times, it's going to vibrate for 4 days, and they're just knocking us out. And when we get to those levels, the retracement levels are amazing, because now they need to recoup, and this is what we like. And then this is where we make our money. So we just let them play all these games. So what the funny thing is this is how they also screw people. Okay? Now you never know, it could always come back. But let me get to the news here. Let's see if I can find my news page. There we go. On this chart here. Fox Business. FOXP Business. Big red numbers, that's fine. New variant fears. So as psychologically, we're thinking, oh, the market's going to go down, it's really going to explode. And guess what they did? Stopped everybody off. The timestamp on it was, did I close it already? What was the timestamp on this? Does it say? Let's see here. 40 minutes ago. Okay, so if you think about it, they posted that news article 40 minutes ago. So let's see where it was 40 minutes ago. 10, 9:30, 9 o'clock, somewhere right in this. So they're thinking, their virus fears, they've already did this big pull down. They might continue, right? Because if you do a Fibonacci retracement, they might still continue. But all they wanted to do is make sure that you guys short. So anyways, I'm going to group all these videos together. Hopefully, I'm just going to really hopefully truncate it so you can understand what I'm looking for. Other than that, just make sure you pinpoint your trades, trade safe. My sharpening cart shut down right now. I got to do some revamps on it, but you still can go in the Discord group to use some of the indicators. Okay? Other than that, you guys take care and have a great day.